we'll be starting or continuing with natural income only. Today let's study factors of production. I know very well that you know that there are 4 factors of production. Name them. Good. Land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. Right. Good. Now land में क्या आएगा? What is land? Land consists of all the natural resources. Okay, it could be forest, it could be trees, it could be any water resource. Okay, so everything will come under the heading land. Second is labor. Labor is not only the workers. It constitutes of all the people that do mental work or physical work in an office. ठीक है, लेबर पे वो दोनों लोग आएंगे जो मेंटली भी वर्क कर रहे हैं और फिजिकली भी वर्क कर रहे हैं किसी भी फर्म में. थर्ड इज कैपिटल. कैपिटल very rightly said is the amount that we need to start up any business. but सिर्फ ये कैपिटल है क्या? नहीं, इसके अलावा भी जो हमारे मशीन्स है, टूल्स है, इक्विपमेंट्स है जो हम प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस में यूज कर रहे हैं, it will be also counted as capital. Fourth is entrepreneur or entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is a person who starts a business with the help of these factors of production. Clear? Okay. आगे बढ़ेंगे हम. इधर आएंगे. Look at this side of the board. I have written all these names: land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur. These all 4 terms together are called as factor service. Okay? If Abhijit wants to open her coaching institute, ठीक है, और अभिजीत ने एक लैंड लिया, तो लैंड उसने किराए पे लिया, तो अब अभिजीत लैंड ओनर को व्हाट विल ही पे? ही विल पे रेंट. ओके, अभिजीत हायर सर्टेन लेबर इन हिज कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट, तो दोज लेबर ही विल बी पेइंग वेजेस. ओके, अभिजीत को पैसों की जरूरत थी. he asked Lovepreet for certain money कि लवप्रीत भाई तू भी इन्वेस्ट कर दे, and Lovepreet agreed to do so. Lovepreet has given money to Abhijit. Now Abhijit in return will give interest to Lovepreet. Okay, and who is the entrepreneur? Abhijit. Abhijit, you will get what? अभिजीत को क्या मिलेगा इन सब चीजों को लेस करने के बाद? he will get his own share of profit. ये सारे terms simply है तो कैसे? but these are the different terms that we use to denote these words. Okay, let's recap. land का जो factor payment है उसे हम rent बोलेंगे. labor के factor payment को हम wages बोलेंगे. capital को interest and entrepreneur will get his profit. These are the factor services. Factor service को अपनी सर्विस प्रोवाइड करने में जो मनी मिलती है that is called factor payment or factor income. Clear? Let's start today's another topic, that is two-sector economy. Hold on, I know you have done it, but we'll do it again. Two-sector economy, there are 2 firms or 2 models, A and B. A is household and B is firm. Firm basically the producer. Now let's understand this very thoroughly because it is important in aspect of your board's examination. Okay, let's see. Now firms, I tell you a story. Okay, एक बारी there are certain people, they were talking among themselves. These people will fall under this firm category. Okay, they were talking that they need to produce something, but for producing those things they need these factor services. इनकी जो बातें थी, it has been heard by the households. Okay, household decided that they will provide these all services to the firm. Look at the outer side of the diagram. Okay, so how the household is providing factor services, that is land, labor and entrepreneur to the firms. Firms in return to these services, what are they are giving? जिसने लैंड दिया था फर्म उसे रेंट पे कर दिए, जिसने लेबर दिया फर्म उसे वेज प्रोवाइड कर दिए. The one who has invested capital, he is getting his interest and entrepreneur is getting his profit. यहाँ से किया हाउस ने 4 सर्विसेज दी और फर्म ने उन्हें वापस फैक्टर इनकम और फैक्टर पेमेंट किया। अब यहाँ पे फर्म बन गई। ओके, द प्रोड्यूसर हैज स्टार्टेड प्रोड्यूसिंग द प्रोडक्ट। The firm has started producing the product और वो किधर जा रहा है? हाउस होल्ड पे। ओके, तो यहाँ पे जो भी गुड्स और सर्विसेज हाउस होल्ड को जा रही है, हाउस होल्ड रिटर्न में क्या देगी उसे? Expenditure, income. Okay, so the money that household is giving to the firm is known as consumption expenditure. One important thing, जहाँ पे भी ये वाली सर्विस हो रही है, that is factor service जहाँ पे प्रोवाइड हो रही है, that market is called factor market. That market is called factor market. Whereas where these two, number 3 and number 4, that is where goods and services are provided and in return consumption of expenditure is happening. That market is known as product market.